Hi, I'm going to show you how to make some amazing fluffy slime. I started out with Elmer's glue. I put about a cup and a half, 2 cups in the bowl. I've already pre-made my borax water, which is 1 teaspoon of borax mixed in a cup of warm water until it's dissolved. What I want to do now is add some color to it, so I'm just going to add the paint first. This is a really beautiful kind of metallic blue. It's really, really, really pretty. So I'm going to stir that in. As you can see, I'm just going to stir it until the color is uniform. And we get a really awesome blue color here. Next thing I'm going to do is add some very, very thick lotion. I'm going to use Dermacell because it's super thick, makes the slime really thick, and as you can see I just put a few squirts of it in there, and that's what makes the slime stretchy. So I'm going to mix that in really well. And then what I'm going to do is add some shaving cream. That's what gives it its fluff. So about held the button down on the shaving cream about 6 seconds. And now I'm going to stir in all the shaving cream. The next thing I'm going to do, this is going to be a really pretty ocean colored light blue. If you want to make it a little darker, you can always add more paint. I don't want it to smell like lotion or shaving cream, so I'm going to add some scented oil to it. I'm going to have to take the top off this one, so I want to come out. So I'm going to add a few drops of scented oil and stir that in until it looks like Cool Whip. The next thing I'm going to do is slowly add the borax. I'm only going to add like a teaspoon at a time. Maybe 4 teaspoons to start. And see what kind of consistency. You can see how it's firming up. You see that? Pretty cool. So I added 4 teaspoons. I had a cup of water with hot water with 1 teaspoon borax in it. And this is already starting to look really good, as you can see. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and stick my hands in it, and I can feel that it's not quite boraxed enough. It's still a little goopy and sticky, but not far off from the consistency that we desire. So what I'm going to do is add 1 more teaspoon and just kind of gently rub it over the top and work it in with my hands. This is going to be the best slime that you have ever tried. Look how fluffy it is. Look how wonderful it is. It's still just slightly sticky. I mean, it does roll off my fingers, so that's good. But I'm going to go ahead and add another teaspoon. So that's a total of 6 teaspoons. And as you can see, that is just about perfect. So there you have it. The best, bubbliest, stretchiest, and oh, it smells good. Now, whenever I sell my slime, I always include extra borax, or I make it with Tide. And I'm actually going to just stick my fingers in the borax water and just lightly put some over the top of it, so that, oh, this is so fluffy. This is so good. And there you go. That's how to make the best fluffy starring. Look at that stretch. Super fun. So anyways, it comes off my fingers easily. Smells great. Super pokey. Super fun. That's how you make the best fluffy slime.